Good afternoon, all. We students of Zeal Engineering and Research under the project-based learning activity. We are from computer engineering. We are direct second year student admitted in computer department. We are presenting Android operating wheelchair. So I'm presenting my screen. Okay, my project name is Android operating wheelchair. These are the 5-6 statement we are explaining in the slide 2. My problem statement is to build a wheelchair so that the handicapped people can move freely with their own Android phone attached on the wheelchair. Uh, there is the block diagram in this. In this, we have used voice, and control system. In these two functions are built in the Android phone. Through the Android phone, we are connecting the Android phone to the wheelchair. Next is these are the few contents. Acknowledgement. Thank to our guide Suchita ma'am for their valuable time and guidance. Problem statement. To provide an appropriate wheelchair upgrade for the disabled people to move freely with their own Android phone so that they can move free and without any dependency they can move around. These are the literature survey we have served through the many papers in IEEE. So we come over with many problems. What is wheelchair? The basic question we heard. It is easy movement for physical challenged people or the people who don't have their limbs or the problems in their upper limbs or lower limbs. So the person can move freely. These are the few problems we have stated there. People have disabled, put limbs to their daily work. They need external manpower. In the previous, we have seen the Bluetooth connected wheelchair. These are the literature survey in which we have seen manual, joystick and Wi-Fi. And we come over all of the problems. Solution. The aim of our project is to uh, give the handicapped person to move less difficulty. The control will also moving the wheelchair with the less human interface, and we have connected Android through Wi-Fi module. These are few requirements. We have hardware requirement of software requirement. In hardware requirement, we have Wi-Fi module, Atmega microcontroller, motor drivers, wheels, DC motor, battery of 12 volt sensor, ultrasonic sensor. And in software, we use Android SDK and language is Java. These are the these are the architecture of our project. In this, we have two functions, that is voice and control. And these two function is built in Android phone, and the Android phone is connected through Wi-Fi. Through Wi-Fi, the control is moved through the microcontroller, and then it is instruct to wheelchair. Like this, we have wheelchair which is connected to Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi is connected to phone. This is also a similar, this is phone, Wi-Fi, then Wi-Fi receives the command, and this command go through the Arduino board, and it is converted into some instructions which is given to the motor driver. That motor driver give instruction to the wheels. Advantage. So it is easy to handle, system is eco-friendly, reduce manpower, it is secure and easy to mount. Disadvantage. As we know, we have connected through the Wi-Fi or we are connected through the phone. So these are the disadvantage. So we have prepared a app in which this is the first user interface we see. And there is the login in which we have user, name, password, and login. Because it is secure app, so we are providing login ID and password. And second page is menu in which we have two controls like control and speak. In control we have four functions. First is forward, second is backward, third is left, and fourth is right. In speak activity, we as we give the command like forward, we speak here and click on the send button so that it will send through the microcontroller. This is user management diagram in which we see the wheels. Wheels is connected to the four operations, then app, then control panel, then operate. These all the systems controlled by the microcontroller. Future scope can also alarm the user about the obstacles, as we don't have the we don't have built the alarm, so we can build it in our future project. And we also have the home automation function. If the people who are old age, so they can't open their windows, so we help them to control it through the phone. Gesture features also, we can apply the gesture features. Battery. Conclusion. So the design development of feature is based on Android control. Successfully, we will design it for the physical challenge people and the old age people. And we can also give this project to the hospitals. These are the few references we have taken, and thank you.